Marhaban bikum fi ta'allamul lughatul arabiyya, which means welcome to learn Arabic language session and lecture number 3. Not the beginning, but it's lesson. The beginning sessions are separate from this. Hello and assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today's lesson is similar to lesson number 2, which was this or haza, and today's lesson is this or hazihi. Hazihi, hazihi, hazihi. Actually, this was for masculine words. As you can see the grammatical definition, that muannas, a feminine word. So hazihi is used for females, feminine words. For example, shaun, shajarun, imraun. One thing I want to tell you that in feminine words, muannas words, I must use Arabic terms, muannas, or in feminine word. An addition of this word is necessary. This word, as you can see here, read the rule. The word hazihi is an ism ishara, which means noun, and used for a single feminine word that is close by. Which means this is a woman, haza imra. Feminine words are usually recognized by the letter to. This letter is the indication that the word is a feminine word. This word letter appears at the end of the word, and when stopping is read as letter ha. It means that if you want to join the word with other words like shajaratun tawilun, so it will mean then you will pronounce the sound tun. But if you have to stop here shajaro, then and stop at this word, then you will say shajara, because you are stopping. Now there's a full stop and you don't want to continue or join this word with another word. Not to continue, you can start a new sentence, but when you place the full stop, it means shajara. Now we will move forward to the vocabulary, which is important in this lesson. Read with me. These are mainly feminine words. Goat, shaun. Woman, imraun. Imraun. Bicycle, darrajaun. Girl, bintun. This feminine, which I have told you, hazihi, and this masculine, haza. So clock, sa'un, fan, mirwahun, car, sayyaraun. Exercise book, kurrasaun. Ruler, mistaraun. Tree, shajaraun. Flower, zahraun. You can also say zahra. It's not necessary to pronounce the double pesh. Shajara, kurrasam, sayyara, mirwa, zahra. You can also say like that. Room, ghurfa or ghurfaun. Room, talasa, tallasa. Pronounce it, tallasa. Hold at this lamp. As I have told you, this is tashdeed. Briefcase, mihfaza. Mother, you can say mother as walida or ummun. Blackboard, sabura. Spectacles, nazara. Hold at this zaw. Baby girl, tifla. Rose, varda. Now we will move forward to the exercise. Add the word hazihi to the following words and read them. It's a very quite simple exercise. All you have to do is add the word hazihi before these words. Let's start. Say with me and follow me. Hazihi ghurfa. Hazihi mirwaha. Hazihi shajara or shajarau. Hazihi mistara. Hazihi tallasa. Hazihi tilmiza. Hazihi ustaza. Hazihi khadima. Hazihi walida. Hazihi bintun. So you see, it's not necessary to know the meaning of these words at this point. Translate now. Second exercise, translate the following into Arabic. This is a room. Go back and see what is it. Ghurfa. This is a tree. Hazihi shajara. Number one was Hazihi ghurfa. Hazihi shajara. Hazihi nazara. Has pair of spectacles. This is a bicycle. Let's see what's bicycle. The Raja. And this is a clock. Hazihi sa'a. This is a school. Hazihi madrasa. This is a car. Hazihi sayyara. This is Saida. Hazihi Saida. This is a teacher, lady teacher. So you will say this word. Hazihi ustaza. This is a girl. Hazihi bintun. As we have read it. Now translate the following words into English. Hazihi mirwa. We have read this word mirwa, which means fan. So this means this is a fan. Hazihi nizara. This is a pair of spectacles. Hazihi imra. This is a woman. It actually, this is for singular woman, not plural. Hazihi sa'a. What was it? Sa'a was clock. Remember it. I'm just going behind in order to make you understand. I know all these meanings. Hazihi what the? This is a rose. Hazihi ghurfa. What was ghurfa? Room. Hazihi umma. Ummun means mother. This is mother. This is a mother. Hazihi bintun. This is a girl. Hazihi saida. This word. This is saida. Hazihi sharifa. This means this is a. You can say this word is not here in the vocabulary, but sharifa can mean as someone who is innocent. So guys, thanks for watching, which means shukral mashahida in Arabic. If you have any problem, you can comment and subscribe our channel. If you have any problem, comment and let us know. Like, comment and subscribe our channel. Your feedback will be really appreciated. Stay tuned and you will see me in the next lesson. Allah Hafiz.